Hi. I haven't been online for a bit, so here's an update and me doing my makeup. I haven't been well, had viruses and infections off and on for a few months, and it's been frustrating. But at the moment I feel okay, so I wanted to film. And my cat is meowing at me again. Luna, your food is down there. Also, we've had a new addition to the family. I'm not a child, a dog. Kaya, I'll put up a picture for you. She's super sweet. We got her at the animal shelter, and her story is that she comes from Romania, which has a lot of stray dogs. She was super shy when we first met her. She was with her brothers, and her brothers were quite energetic and, happy, wagging their tail when they saw us. Um, Kaya was kind of reserved and more towards the background. And the reason why I was drawn to her was because I think Martin's my husband, when we were growing up, we also were very shy. She's very trusting now. Oh, okay. So I wanted to use a bunch of stuff from Neve Cosmetics that I haven't been playing with for a bit, using a Zoeva Smoky Shader Brush 234. And going in with this shade right here. And yeah, okay. Just placing that on the outer corner. Excuse Luna. I started up another channel called Kaya Kerfuffles, where I'm trying to teach her to use those pet communication buttons. Okay, so we have a lighter blue here. I think we're gonna go monochrome today. I'm gonna use this contour shader 235 from Zoeva. This shade, I feel like there's not much of a tone difference between this and this. Honestly, can you? Think on the outer corner, I'm gonna go in with a deeper shade from this palette, Scurissimi. I can't pronounce these words. Apologies to the Italians out there. Using a Smith 230 brush. I've been seeing Matty on Rainbow of Makeup do these kind of videos, but she does it with a palette bingo kind of thing. So these shadows are very kind of light. They're not high impact, but they blend nicely. Let's see. Going back in with that contour brush from Zoeva. Gonna put that in the inner corner. I've been doing this a lot, giving my inner corner kind of more depth. I think that helps. I mean, at least I find it nice. Let's try this one, this white one. Okay, I think I want to go in with a more concentrated brush for the dark shade. I feel like the depth is not as deep. So for the under eye, gonna go just gonna take that same shade. Contour brush. I feel that's very smoky. And then in a corner, I picked these up from the drugstore yesterday. And these are from Essence. These are the These are the Metal Glow Duochrome eye pencils, and they come in 3 shades. This one is kind of like a purple, this one's more green, and this one's, well, it looks pink in certain lights and it looks gold in certain lights. So it's gold pink. Can you even see that? There we go. Okay, so one thing I'm noticing about these pens is that the actual product keeps coming out of the socket. And I don't know, I think it's maybe it's a design. The tube, see, there we go. The actual product keeps popping out of the socket, and it's not just this one that does it. This one did it as well, and one of the ones I saw in the store also had that issue. So just be careful if you get this product. Just make sure the actual product is nice. Don't know how much you can see on camera, but there we go. That's the Duochrome under the eye. In the inner corner, should I do something? Okay, I'm thinking I'm just gonna run this shade again. A lot of cleanup. There's fallout everywhere. And for the brow bone, I'm just gonna go with this shade right here. Whoop. This shade right here with my Zoeva 227 Luxe Soft Definer. This shade is called Snob. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of like a light shimmer shade. I picked this up at the drugstore as well. This is the Catrice Maxi Baked Bronzer. Some sort of Joker franchise combination. Can't Catch Me. And the reason why I got this is not because I'm a big fan of the Joker or anything. Or Batman. Anyway, I tested this on site and it looked like a nice light bronzer. So I'm going to just take this on a fluffy brush. This is the Luxe Powder Fusion brush from Zoeva 134. Just going to feather it down. For my skin tone, I think this is a good match. And then we've got the double chin going. I don't know. I feel like my skin's sagging as I age. It's kind of sad. Okay. Just gives that jaw a little bit more definition than it actually has this area as well. It needs to expand, I think. Next, I'm taking this shade from the Saharan Blush Palette, Juvia's Place Volume 2, and going to take the shade B. Mix it in with Lena. This one. It's going to be a bit strong, I think. Or maybe, no, maybe not. Okay. I have a few lip shades from Neve. I gotta say, I don't like the scent of these lipsticks, but I do like the colors of them. This one looks like it could match. That's kind of 90s. This one also. I think I'm gonna go with this cool tone shade. This one is Chocolate Pudding. I really wish the scent of these were better. These are like, you know, the old school lipsticks. It has that scent. Oh, look at you. Who's my baby hood? Who's my baby hood?